Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Yes students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we will do the practice sheet sums of the time chapter. Yes students, so take your books and notebooks with you, and here we start. Yes students, in practice sheet of time there is first sum that convert the following times into the 24-hour format. Yes, 24-hour format. The time given to us, that is according to the 12-hour format. We have to convert this time into the 24-hour format. Yes students, see how we will do this. A part, 11:55 p.m. is there. Yes, 11:55 p.m. 11:55 p.m. is there. Yes, now yes students, how we will convert this into 12-hour clock? Yes, whenever pm is there, at that time what we will do in hours, here 11 hours are, yes, in hours we will add 12, so here we will get 23. Now the time according to 24-hour clock, what will be that? 23:55. There will be no change in the minutes, only hours will be changed. And with this we will write hours, because in 24-hour clock time we are not writing am and pm, we will write hours. Yes, and see one more thing, here 4 digits must be compulsory. 4 digits are compulsory in the 24-hour format. Yes, now see what is the b part. In b part, what is the time? It is 7:35 am. It is 7:35 am. Yes, now see beta, here is am, here is am. Yes, so here we will not add 12, here we will not add 12, only when there is pm, at the time we will add 12. So here what will be the time? 07, because we have to complete 4 digits also. 07:35 hours. Like this only we will write the answer, 07:35 hours. Yes, now let's see C part. What is there in C part? That is 6:55 am. 6:55 am. Yes, now here there is am, so there is no need to convert to add here 12. So what we will do here? We will write only 4 digits. Like this we will complete 4 digits and we will write hours. Yes, and what is there in D part? The time is, yes, in part D there is 8:50 pm. Yes, 8:50 pm. Now here is pm, so what we will do? We will add 12 in hours. Hours are 8, we will add 12, then we will get 20. Now what will be the time according to 24-hour clock? It will be 20 hours 50 minutes. And what we will write here? We will write here hours. Yes, yes friends, now there is sum number 2. This sum you will do by yourself, because here only we have to draw the hands. Yes, now let's move to sum number 3. Write the times into the 24-hour format. Write the time according to the 24-hour format. Yes, part A. What is there in part A? 37 minutes after midnight. Midnight is at 12 o'clock. Yes, midnight is at 12 o'clock. Then 37 minutes after midnight means after midnight 37 minutes. Then the what will be the time? 12:37 am. The time will be like this. But here in the heading, if you read carefully, then we have to tell the time according to 24-hour format. We have to tell according to 24-hour format. And when there is midnight time, at that time you can see the day will start according to the 24-hour clock. So what we will do here? Then according to 24-hour clock, the day has started and only 37 minutes has passed. Then 0 hours. 0 hours means abhi tak 1 hour complete nahi hua hai, that's why 0 hours and only minutes are there, so we will write here 0 hour 37 hours. Yes, because day को शुरू हुए अभी 37 minutes हुए हैं. Yes, तो कोई भी hour नहीं हुआ अभी. Yes, then 0 hours and 37 minutes. Like this we will write the time. Yes, now there is B part, 10 minutes after 7 in the evening. 10 minutes after 7. Yes, in the evening. Then how we will write the time? 10 minutes after 7. We will write 7:10. Yes, and in the evening means PM. But here we have to show the time according to 24-hour clock also. So what we will do? PM is there. So we will add 12. So it is here 19. So the time will be 19:10 hours. Yes. Now next is part C. 8:15 in the morning. 8:15 in the morning. Firstly we will write what will be the time according to 12-hour clock. 8:15 in the morning means AM. Yes. Now here according to 24-hour clock, what will be the time? The same time will be here because AM is written, and whenever AM is there, then we are not adding 12 here. Yes. Now next is, see it carefully, 17 minutes to midnight. 17 minutes to midnight. Yes. So what is the time there? Midnight means 12 o'clock. 17 minutes to 12 o'clock means 12 o'clock होने में 17 minutes बाकी हैं. Yes, then what will be the time? The time will be 11:43 PM. Yes, see it again how 17 minutes to midnight means आधी रात होने में 17 minutes रहते हैं. Yes, midnight means 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock होने में 17 minutes रहते हैं. So what will be the time? The time will be 11:43 PM. Yes, and according to 24-hour, yes, we will add 12. It will become 23, and the time here will be 23:43 hours. What will be the time? 23:43 hours. Yes. Now E part. What is the E part? 20 minutes after noon. Noon means 12 o'clock of the day. Midnight means 12 o'clock of the night, and noon means 12 o'clock of the day. Then what will be the time? 20 minutes after noon. Noon means 12 o'clock. 20 minutes after 12. What will be the time then? The time will be 12:20 PM. The time will be 12:20 PM. Yes. So according to 24-hour clock, what will be the time here? Yes students, 12:20. We will not write here PM. Why? Because only still there is midday. अभी half day ही हुआ है. Yes. So here we cannot write PM. So what we will do here? We will write time according to hours only. It will be 12:20 hours. Yes students, see it carefully. 12 noon is there. Yes, 12 noon means half day is there. अभी 12 hours बीते हैं डे के. Yes, 12 noon is there. So what we will do here? 12:20 midday. We will write here 12:20 midday. And if midday is there, then write the time according to 24-hour clocks like this. Yes. Yes friends, now let's move to sum number 4. These are your favorite sums, I think so. Yes, these are the sums of the conversion. First is express 4 hours 55 minutes into minutes. 4 hours 55 minutes into minutes. So how we will do this? 4 hours 55 minutes. Yes, firstly we will write 4 hours plus 55 minutes. Then 4 hours will be converted into minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 4 hours is equal to 60 multiplied by 4. Yes, it will be 240 minutes. So here what we will write? 240 minutes plus 55 minutes. Yes, when these both will be added, 295 minutes. Yes, like this we have converted 4 hour 55 minutes into 295 minutes. Yes friends, next part you will do by yourself. There is seconds into minutes. We have to convert seconds into minutes. Yes, and already you know how many seconds in 1 minute. That is 60 seconds in 1 minute. Yes. Now C part is there. Express 147 days in a week. See how do it. 147 days in weeks. We have to convert 107 days into weeks. Yes, how we will do? Firstly, we will write days. According to that, means 7 days is equal to 1 week. 7 days is equal to 1 week, and 147 days, these both will be divided. Bigger number divided by smaller number. Yes, then we will get 21 weeks. When you will divide, you will get 21 weeks. Yes, now what is the next sum? D part. What is 4 hours 10 minutes added to 3 hours 55 minutes? See how we will do this part. Yes, 4 hours 10 minutes and 3 hours 55 minutes. We have to add these both. See how we will do this. Hours and minutes we will write. Firstly 4 hours 10 minutes, then 3 hours 55 minutes. We will add these both. When you will add these minutes, you will get 65, but we cannot write here 65 because minutes are only up to 60. So we will make two parts of this, 60 minutes and 5 minutes. Yes, 60 minutes will be written as 1 hour and here is 5 minutes. Then what will be there? 1 hour 5 minutes. So here we will write 5 and 1 hour will be carried. Here we got 8. Yes, so the answer is 8 hours 5 minutes. Yes, now next is E part. How much is 50 minutes added to 4 hours 45 minutes? Yes, now E part is 50 minutes added to 4 hours 45 minutes. Yes, how we will add? We will write hours and minutes. Yes, here 0 hours 50 minutes. Then next it will be written 4 hours 45 minutes. 4 hours 45 minutes. Yes, when we will add these both, yes, here in minutes you can see here we will get 95. 50 plus 45 we will get 95. Yes, then 95 parts will be there. One will be 60 and second will be 35. Here minutes and here minutes. Yes, 60 minutes will be written as 1 hour and 35 minutes. So here we will write 35 minutes and 1 hour will be moved to here. 4 plus 1 here will be 5. So we got here 5 hours 35 minutes. Yes, now let's move to our next sum. That is the last sum of this sheet. What is the 3 hour 15 minutes subtracted from 7 hours 5 minutes? There is a sum of subtraction. We will write hours and minutes. Yes, here is firstly you can see 7 hours 5 minutes. Then subtract it 3 hours 15 minutes. And you can see here, yes, from 5 minutes we cannot subtract 15 minutes. So what here we will do? We will carry 1 hour from here. Here we will borrow 1 hour from here. Here we left 6 hours and here minutes already 5. Then 1 hour will become 60 minutes. When it will come in minutes, it will become 60 minutes. So here there will be 65 minutes. Here will be 65 minutes. Now 65 minutes minus 15 minutes. 65 minutes minus 15 minutes. Yes, 65 minutes minus 15 minutes. When we will subtract, what we will get? We will get 50 minutes. So here what we will write? 50 minutes and 6 minus 3 we will get here 3 hours. So here students, we have done the sums of the practice sheet. Firstly you watch the video carefully and after that you do the practice by yourself. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead.